Well, it's been over 2 weeks now with the triple-digit temperatures and no rain. Most of the lawn is dead. The garden's doing okay, but I water it every night, so that's why it's doing fine. But the blister beetles are going crazy, so I had to put some DE on it because they were devouring my plants. See all the big loofahs on there? And the dogs, they love the pond, but since the pond's getting so low, they get super muddy and full of algae. They don't care. So here's the pond. It still has water. Not much. Usually it's coming up way over here and way up here. Way over there. So you can see that it is down a lot. You girl silly. Show us how you swim. Can you go swimming? And they're so happy to be out of their kennel. Lisa, you a silly girl. Get her, Lisa, get her. Get her. Get her, Luna. Get her. Get her. Get her. Crazy puppies. So this tree over here actually has fruit on it this year. First time it's had fruit. And you can see here, it has turned out to be a persimmon tree. Never had persimmons, but if they ripen, I can't wait to try them because it is loaded with them. See all the dog prints and all the mud. It's supposed to rain this weekend. Fingers crossed, because there's not much water left. And I'm tired of lugging water everywhere. Alright, so I just harvested some basil. That's why those are small. That was the second harvest of those. And here's my cosmos. They're getting big. Got that seeds free from a box of Cheerios. You can see the corn is getting a bunch of cobs on it. We'll see if they'll be edible. There's a watermelon. a big watermelon in there. 3 of them right here. There are a couple of them. A small one. Another one. And a couple more there. Oh, and there's one hiding over there too. So we've got quite a bit of watermelon again this year. Planted mostly strawberry watermelon, so I heard they're supposed to be delicious. So I hope so. And I let my lettuce go to seed. So hopefully it replants itself for this fall. We'll see. And the loofah has grown this entire fence and is choking out everything. My tomatoes, they're not doing so hot because the loofah is taking over, but we're getting a few. Look at how big these loofahs are. Be interesting to see if they dry out okay. And here we've got a honeydew. Another honeydew back there. You can see the blister beetles got to my black beans, but there are some beans still on there, so I might be able to salvage some. I've seen quite a few cucumbers. And slowing down on eating them. There was one over here. Oh, there's a couple over in here. And if you come over here, I got a really nice honeydew in there. Got a couple of them actually. This one's actually the biggest one, so that's going to be a good size. Some more huge loofahs. These loofahs are just huge. Unbelievable how big they are. And there's some more of the bugs devouring my plants. Yep, 5 more cucumbers for the fridge. Alright, so we've got all the windows but one in the laundry room, bathroom. And that's the kitchen one that we moved. How cool is that? The Tyvek lined up pretty well. Hardly noticed that we moved it. There's the bedroom one. And the master bathroom. This is the last one we have to put in. The window we got for it was a used window and it ended up being bad. So luckily we had an extra window like the bedrooms. So we will be putting it over here. So we just have to frame that out to fit the new window. So yeah, we had one of these for over there, but it turned out to be a bad window, so we'll save that for the animal houses. But the other windows turned out great too. You can see in here I've been painting the front door frame. So that's about ready to go in. Also, all the electrical is on its way, so we'll be putting electric in soon.